Looking for a budget-friendly, powerful OBD2 scanner? Today, we're diving into the DOLLARFIX 65 OBD2 Scanner, a compact tool that promises pro-level diagnostics without the pro-level price tag. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. In the box, you'll get the DF65 scanner itself, a sturdy OBD2 connection cable, and a user manual. The build is solid for a budget tool, lightweight, with a textured grip and a responsive color screen. OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool is equipped with CPU MT6580 Cortex, A7 1.3 GHz 4 cores, 2G RAM and 32G ROM, 3150 mAh battery, 5-inch large HD touchscreen, 18 languages, Android 6.0, and update online free lifetime. Enhanced OBD2 functions, read codes, erase codes, live data, evap system test, onboard monitor test, view freeze frame, O2 sensor test, vehicle info, IM readiness, DDC code lookup. This OBD2 scanner supports the most commonly system, ABS, SRS, transmission, and engine. 10 most useful reset services. The scanner for car can provide 10 hot maintenance reset, oil, EPB, SAS, TPMS, ETS, NJC, bleeding, airbag, gearbox, DPF. These powerful reset functions help you do replacing, resetting, relearn, initialization, calibration on your car kinds of module to make your car safer and more reliable. After you receive our products, for better product experience as well as car diagnostic, please connect to Wi-Fi phone hotspot and accept or take the initiative to update app operating system and download car brand diagnostic software. Now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: affordable price, easy to use, fast code reading, compact and portable. And cons: limited advanced functions, not bidirectional, no Bluetooth or app support. If you're a DIYer, beginner mechanic, or just want to avoid expensive trips to the mechanic for simple code checks, the DF65 is a solid tool to keep in your glove box. It's not for advanced diagnostics, but for everyday use, it gets the job done. The DF65 OBD2 scanner punches above its weight in the budget category. Reliable, fast, and easy to use, it's a great pick for everyday drivers. Like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews on automotive tools and tech.